And hello and welcome again to Android channel. In today's video we'll talk about an AI tool which help us to edit our photos, which named also Adobe Firefly Beta. So from generate, we will generate a file. We will click on it and generate a file. First of all, you have to sign in this website. The sign in process is so simple, so easy. I'm not going to talk about it. It's so easy, just to go ahead and do it. Then again, come on generative file, click on it and grab from your computer the photo that you want to edit. You can do the same steps by your phone also. This AI tool will look like this on for an desktop. So first of all, we will change the background of the photo. So I print the photo and I will type here what I want the background will be. So I will type garden, for example, garden. So generate. It will generate for me or suggest for me a lot of backgrounds, garden backgrounds, and I can cancel it, keep it, or I can click on more. Suggest for me a lot of more garden suggested or generative backgrounds. So I'm going to choose this one and click on keep. So after that, from insert, this tab, I can select the shirt of the man, the Indian man, and from here you can type what you want from dresses or clothes. I typed shirt. So this is the suggested shirt. It looks good, isn't it? Then you can keep it, cancel it again, and ask for more suggested shirts. So I will click on keep and choose it, and then I can do the same steps from insert and select the hat, and here I will type hat. You can type anything you'd like to. So this is the suggested or generated hat that you'd like to choose. So I'm going to ask for more, and this one is good for me. After that, you can download it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel.